Hello friends, this is Professor Dattu Patel. Today's lecture we are going to learn about work examples of work done, circulation and line integral. Let us start with one example. Find the work done of a force F bar. F bar equal to x square minus y square plus xi minus 2xy plus yj moves a particle in xy plane from 0 0 to 1 1 along the parabola y square equal to x is the work done different when the path is straight line y equal to x. In this example, parabola which is y square equal to x and points which is 0 0 to 1 1. First our requirement is 0 0 to 1 1, that is our point. First path which is y square equal to x and second one which is y equal to x. According to this, first we understand with a simple diagram, then that is our x axis and y axis. That is this equation which is indicated by y square equal to x, that is parabola. That is our straight line y equal to x. This indicated by 0 0. This indicated by 1 1. This one our path C1. This one our path C2. And according to F bar in two variable x and y, then our position vector r bar equal to xi plus yj. Then dr bar equal to dxi plus dy. Then our final f bar dot dr equal to x square minus y square plus x dx minus gives inside, then minus 2xy minus y dy. That is our equation number A. This equation we require in both the path C1 and C2. First consider path C1. That is y square equal to x. Then derivative of this term, then 2y dy equal to dx. Now convert this equation in a single variable. We convert this equation in terms of x, yeah, or in terms of y, as well as we can also convert in terms of t. Convert this equation only single variable, then substitute this value in this equation and convert this equation in terms of y. Then x square, then we get y raised to 4 minus y square plus y square dx equal to 2y dy plus in this equation minus 2x, x replaced as a y square into y minus y into dy. Then y square cancel, dy which is common, this 2y goes inside the brackets, then we get 2y raised to 4 minus 2y cube minus y into dy. Here y, our f bar here which is converted in terms of y, then y is varies from 0 to 1. First value indicated by x, second value indicated by y. Then limit of y which is here initial point 0, here final point which is 1. Then y which is varies from 0 to 1. Then according to the path C1, we get C1 f bar dr equal to integral limit 0 to 1 f bar dr, which is 2y raised to 5 minus 2y cube minus y dy. Then integral 2y raised to 6 by 6 minus 2y raised to 4 by 4 minus y square by 2, 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit, then here 2 ones, then 1 by 3, here 2 2s are, then 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 minus 0. Then 1 by 2 minus 1, then 3, then we get minus 1 minus 3 by 3, then we get minus 2 by 3. That is our integral C1 f bar dr. Similarly, according to the path C2, for y equal to x, then we get dy equal to dx. Substitute this value for path C2. For the path C2, y equal to x, then dy equal to dx. Then convert this equation in terms of single variable x as well as y. Then substitute this equation. X square, x is replaced as a y. Then y square minus y square plus x equal to y, dx equal to dy plus minus 2y square minus y dy. Y square cancel, dy common, then y minus 2y square minus y dy, again y cancel, then we get minus 2y square dy. Here we convert in terms of y, then y which is also varies from 0 to 1, then integral C2 f bar dr, then 0 to 1 minus 2y square dy, then minus 2 y cube by 3, 0 to 1, upper limit minus, lower limit 2 by 3 constant, 1 minus 0, then answer which is minus 2 by 3. Then in this example, integral C1 f bar dr, which is same as integral C2 f bar dr, means we can say that work done are same for both the curve along the parabola y square equal to x and straight line y equal to x, means that is the independent of path. If we get work done are same or integral f bar dr equal to same in all the path, then we can say that that is the independent of path, means curl f bar equal to 0. Next counter example. Evaluate integral f bar dr. Integral C f bar dr, where f bar equal to 5z comma xy comma x square z. According to the points are 0 0 0 2 1 1 1, path C1, that is straight line, and path C2, that is z equal to x square plus y square by 2 and y equal to. Here f bar equal to, given in terms of a vector, is that component which is f1, that first component that is indicated by f1, that is f2 and that is f3. Then f bar equal to, we can say that 5z I cap plus xy j cap plus x square z k cap. Now here r bar is a position vector then we get f bar dr r equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then dr bar equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk, then f bar dr equal to 5z dx plus xy dy plus x square z dz. That is our equation number A. Clear? Now, according to the straight line, means here 3D variable. This point 1 is 1 1 1. This point is 0 0 0. Now, first we find x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. That is the equation of parametric equation of this straight line or line passing through the 0 0 to x1 1 1, means points between 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. That is our x1 y1 z1. That is our x2 y2 and z2. Substitute these values in this equation and we get x minus 0 upon 1 minus 0, y minus 0 upon 1 minus 0, and z minus 0 upon 1 minus 0 equal to 3. Then we get x by 1, y by 1, and z by 1 equal to 3. Means x equal to t, y equal to t, and z equal to t. Then dx equal to dt, dy equal to dt, and dz equal to dt. Now, substitute this value in this equation. In first one, we find the range, limit of t. First one is 0 0 0. Then substitute the x, y, z in this equation. Then x equal to 0, then we get y t equal to 0, y equal to 0, then t equal to 0, z equal to 0, then t equal to 0. Another point v, which is 1 1 1. Substitute this 1 in this equation, then we get t equal to 1. Means t is varies from 0 to 1. Now substitute this value in this equation. Sorry, substitute this value in this equations. Then we get f bar into dr equal to z equal to t, then 5t dx dt plus t into t square dt plus x square into t, means t cube dt. Here dt which is common, then we get 5t plus t square plus t cube dt. Then integral c1 f bar dr equal to integral 0 to 1 5t plus t square plus t cube dt. Then 5t square by 2 plus t cube by 3 plus t raised to 4 by 4, 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. 5 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 minus 0. Then total LCM, which is 4 3s are 12. Then here 5 6 are 13 plus 4 plus 3, and total 4 3s are 12. Then we get final answer, which is 37 by 12. That is our integral c1 f bar dr. Similarly, for the path c2, according to the path C2, then here, that is the paraboloid. That is equation of the paraboloid. That is our 0, 0, 0. And that is our 1, 1, 1. Now, according to this equation, y equal to x, then first y is a function of x. Then we assume x equal to t. Then y is x equal to t. Then y equal to f of t. Then y equal to also t. Substitute the values of x and y in this equation. Then z equal to 2t square by 2. Then z equal to also t square. Now, according to this equation, here dx equal to dt, dy equal to dt, and dz equal to twice t dt. Substitute this value. In this equation, and we get f bar dr, then z equal to t square, then 5t square, dx equal to dt, x equal to t, y equal to t, then again t square, dy equal to dt, x square equal to t square, and z equal to again t square, then we get t raised to 4, and dz equal to 2t dt. Here t which is common, then 5 plus 1, then 6t square plus 2t raised to 6 dt. Now, according to the part 2, integral C2 f bar dr equal to, here which is also t which is varies from 0, 0 to 1. Substitute this value 0, 0 and 0. Then t which is 0, 1, 1, 1. Then t which is 1. Then the limit which is also 0 to 1. Function which is 6t square plus 2t raised to 6 dt. Then integral t raised to 3 by 3 plus 2 t raised to 7 by 7 which is 0 to 1. 3 2s are. Then 2. Here I think x square, then t square, this and y z equal to t square, t raised to 4. Then we get, sorry, here t raised to 5, 4 into t raised to 5. Then here we get t raised to 6 by 6. Then 2 3s are. 3 2s are, then 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 0. 3 2s are 6. Then 6 plus 1 by 3. Then final answer which is 7 by 3. That is our integral C f bar dr, means C2 f bar dr. Then according to this example, both the part we can get different vector and different line integral, means integral C1 f bar dr which is not equal to integral C2 f bar dr. Then we can say that this example which is dependent of path, that is means both the case has different work done. Next example, as a tutorial. Find f bar dr, where f bar equal to x square and minus xy. Here points is 0, 0 to 1, 1. For the path C1, y equal to x, path C2, y equal to x square, that is parabola, and path C3, that is according to the straight line 0, 0 to 1, 0 and 1, 0 to 1, 1 by straight line. In this example, here there is a vector x square I minus xyz. According to this example diagram measure y equal to x, that is our straight line. Y equal to x square, that is our parabola. That is path C1, that is path C2, that is 1 1, here 0 0. Then path C3, that is C3 dash, that is C3 double dash. Then find an integral C3 dash plus C3 double dash. Then we get integral C3 f bar dr equal to C3 dash f bar dr plus C3 dash f bar dr. This type of example already we learned in above example. This example you can try yourself. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for listening this video.